हेलो मेरे राइजिंग जनरेशन। तो आज जैसे कि मैं कल बोल रही थी कि आज कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन करूंगी फॉर योर बोर्ड्स क्लास 10, ठीक है। सो द सेकंड पेज ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 10.2 नंबर 4. So what was the question? Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So number 4, गोला बना दो सेंटर, ठीक है। diameter, this is my diameter, okay, of a circle are parallel. So tangent, एक टेंजेंट ये रहा और दूसरा ये, ओके, डिडंट टच। चलो A, B, C, D, and this is your center O. So the question asked to you is, we have to prove that this tangents, that is AB and CD, are parallel. कैसे prove करें? So as we know, as I showed you in my earlier videos, कि this part is 90 degree. So this is also 90. तो ये भी 90 होगा, ये भी 90 होगा, ठीक है ना। तो अब देखो, एंगल ए यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं बी सी डी ई एफ, एंगल ए ई ओ, एंगल ए ई ओ is equal to angle DFO, DFO equal to 90 degree. Okay, why is it 90 degree? Because this is the perpendicular, EF is perpendicular. So how is it 90 degree? Because this is a perpendicular and it is standing on the straight line AB here and CD out there. So 90 degree means both are equal. Since AEO is equal to angle DFO, what is applied here? How is it equal? They are alternate interior angles, alternate, cross them, alternate, and they are inside the line, parallel line. We do not know it's parallel, and that's why they are equal. So as soon as this is proved that they are equal, we can directly say that the lines are parallel since it is applied here. Therefore AB is equal to CD. That is what you have to prove. Yes, hence proved. Okay, let's go to the second sum. जैसे कि मैं बोल रही थी कि I'll touch the important sums. So let's go to sum number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. So draw a circle. So this is your figure. This is O. ये रहा radius. This is your tangent A, B. Join this. This is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. And you are required to find this. Like your last few sums which we did yesterday. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? By using what? This is a right angle triangle. That means Pythagoras theorem is applicable here. By PT 5 square is equal to 4 square plus OA square. Root comes this side, becomes a square root. Therefore, OA is equal to 3. याद है ना, हाईलाइट करना है, यूनिट लिखना है. डन. So next, चलो सम नंबर 7. टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. कॉन्सेंट्रिक बोले तो एक सर्कल के अंदर दूसरा सर्कल. ठीक है. सेंटर विल बी द सेम, कॉमन फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम, ऑफ रेडियस 5. ये है 5 रेडियस ऑफ द आउटर सर्कल and 3 centimeters the inner. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle. ये हो गया आपका chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So yes, this is touching the smaller circle here. So O ये है 5 centimeter, ये है 3 centimeter. So let's find out this A, B, C. So again Pythagoras is applicable here. In triangle OAB, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus AB square. Your sum is not over here. हाँ देखो क्या लिखा है क्वेश्चन में. Find the length of the chord. So the chord is CB. Therefore, chord CB is equal to, अगर ये हिस्सा आपका 4 है तो the chord will be double of this. Chord CB is equal to 2 times of AB. 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeter. ठीक है. अब यहाँ से क्या बोलूं, और यहाँ पे और सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस है जो बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. So I'll upload those in another video with some other chapter, okay? Because I want to start with a new chapter very soon, ताकि it will be helpful for you people before your boards. So आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय बाय बच्चों.